Today I want to give you 7 proven ways to own your online market. It doesn't matter if you're an auto dealer, auto repair, a hairdresser, it doesn't matter. These 7 tips are the way to control your online presence for your local market. Number 1, most important, make sure you claim your Google My Business and make sure that it's optimized and updated. Google wants people to stay on Google. And so as a result, the Google My Business section of the search page feeds a lot more information than it used to. You can link your blog posts, you can link pictures, can have your information around your hours, your location. Everything is available on Google My Business. So your number 1 priority needs to be making sure that that Google My Business listing is up to date, optimized, and looks great, driving traffic over to your business. Number 2 is make sure that your website is simple, fast, clear, and shows your reviews. Again, reviews are critically important as well. Google uses reviews to help with SEO. Your reviews are going to show up on your Google My Business segment, and having your reviews show up on your website will provide you with social proof. As we talk about the website, the other piece is to have clear call to action. A lot of times people just fill up the website with a lot of information, and that information isn't really actionable by the customer. What do you want the customer to do? And then make sure your website is fast, clear, concise, simple, and clean with a clear call to action. Number 3, get quality backlinks. There's some spammy ways to get some backlinks, but one of the best ways to get backlinks is to have a content strategy that people are going to utilize to be able to use your website for reference. If you're in the automotive repair space, you may have segments of your website that are devoted to do it yourself or devoted to information that others will likely link to in order to be able to reference it on their website. So for instance, how to reset the tire pressure light on a Honda Civic. If you've got a great piece of content, that could be served up to others who will be searching for it, and they may link it. The ones for us that are probably most important are going to be links to other local businesses that we have or do business with or have relationships with. So you may be a Toyota dealer and you link out to a website for local off-road enthusiasts or local Toyota enthusiasts. Mercedes repair facility links out to a Mercedes club website. So you've got an ability to interact with local businesses, share links, not in a spammy way, but in a way that's going to be relatable to your business. And building those quality backlinks is important. That's your content strategy, and that's also your local business outreach. Number 4 is utilize and develop some high quality YouTube videos. And those YouTube videos can be about your business, but more importantly, similar to the content that we just talked about as it pertains to your quality backlinks and your website, the YouTube videos should be more oriented toward information that a customer is going to be looking for. So it may be a review on a pre-owned vehicle that you've got, or a review on a new vehicle that you've got. It may be a do-it-yourself video for your how to change the brake pads on your 1999 Pathfinder. You may have various pieces of information that are unique to your business, but also really well sought after by your customer base or potential customer base and building up a set of high quality YouTube videos that demonstrate your subject matter expertise and are things that potential customers would be looking for are really important. Google owns YouTube, and YouTube is the second most popular search engine after Google itself. And Google will often feed up videos on search results from YouTube. So having great YouTube content is really important, and it's something you can do as part of your overall content strategy. Number 5, as we have mentioned a couple times, having good content articles on your website. Those articles ideally are similar to the YouTube videos, and the two play off each other. So on a YouTube video, you may talk about here's how to change the brake pads on a 1999 Pathfinder, and you've got a video for that with a link to the blog post or to the article. On the other side, on your website, you've got the article of step-by-step how to change the brake pads on your 1999 Pathfinder, and you've embedded the YouTube video and provided a link. As a result, you now have content that supports each other, and Google looks at that and goes, okay, these guys not only know what they're talking about, but there's a supporting video over here, and there's a supporting article over here. That's more likely to be helpful to our search person than one or the other. So we're going to have a higher tendency to serve that information up. So supporting your videos with great articles and making sure the two are linked is a great way to own your digital space. Number 6 is build up an email list. There's a lot of us who are subject to the whims of Facebook or Google or Yelp or DealerRater or any of those aggregation sites where you're basically giving those sites your information and they're feeding information out to their customers. At any point in time, those sites can make you go away. Those sites could go away. And you've invested a ton of time and information and research and money into making sure your Yelp profile is really good and paying Yelp for additional online ads and making sure your Yelp stars are 5 stars or better. That's all important and that's well and good, but in order to ensure that you can continue to market to those customers, particularly customers who have engaged with you because you've been able to get their email address, building a good solid email address and backstopping that with a really solid email marketing plan is critically important. There's too many businesses that rely on paid search, social paid search, Google and other third-party aggregators like Yelp or Angie's List to drive all their marketing. And really what you want to be able to do is continue to remarket and retarget customers who have already engaged with you, and that's the email list that you will build separately. So that way, even if Google shuts down your paid search and Facebook shuts down your paid search, you're still able to get in touch with your best customers utilizing an email list and a comprehensive email marketing strategy. And number 7, the final one, is be engaged in social media. And that engagement isn't engagement like I'm just blasting out crap. It's engage with your customer so that they continue to see you as a trusted source. And those engagements should be providing a call to action and reinforce your knowledge and your brand image so that you've got the ability to be able to engage customers where they want to be engaged. If you follow these 7 steps, again, whether you're an auto dealer or a hairdresser, you're going to be able to own and dominate your digital presence. Most businesses only do 1 or 2 of the 7 steps. If you follow all 7 steps, you're going to be able to do much better in your digital presence. If there's anything we could do to help you, please feel free to contact us. Till next time.